Hello friends and hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the impact of technology on globalization. In this lecture, we will discuss about the impact of technology on globalization, advancement of technology, technological impact on the society, technological impact on the individuals, technology transfers and time lags in technology introduction, management of technology and status of technology in India and technology management. These are the aspects about which we are going to discuss in this lecture. First, we will start with the technology. It is well understood that globalization of economy is going on at a speedy rate. This rapid move towards greater integration of world economy is fueled by a number of distinct interdependent forces such as the spread of political decisions of countries to move towards liberalization and adoption of market oriented economies. The free flow of capital through FDI, rapid technological changes, especially in information and technology. Industries that are experiencing speedy technological advancement are already global in nature. Production facilities can and are being located virtually anywhere in the world. Consequently, consumer demands in the different industries or countries are converging. In the period of knowledge development, technological innovation is visualized as the prime driver to create and maintain competitive advantage. Interest in technology development and business innovation increased as concern mounted over the economic power of the nation and over competition from abroad. Globally, competitive companies are use broad knowledge base, a global human network, and internet technology to flourish against international competition, regionally, nationally, or internationally, without the use of significant capital investment, travel, or even an international presence. Now, technological development. There are two basic modes of advancing technology. One is innovation, developing one's own new technology, and the other is adoption, means introducing technology that have been devised elsewhere. Adoption of technology from overseas enhances living standards substantially and even to achieve long-term growth based on the continuing technological innovations achieved from abroad. But technology adoption has its limitation as well. Technological progression in global business can lead to economic growth because they contribute to the manufacture of new goods, new services, creating new jobs and new capital. Now, technological advancement. Advancements in technology have considerably facilitated globalization. In fact, technological progress has been one of the main forces driving globalization. Technological breakthrough compel business enterprise to become global by increasing the economies of scale and the market size needed to break even. Technological advancement reduces cost of transportation and communication across nations and thereby facilitate global sourcing of raw material and other inputs. Patented technology encourages globalization as the firm owning the patent can exploit foreign market without much competition. Information technology has led to the emergence of the global village. For example, the WWW World Wide Web has reduced the barriers of time and place in business dealings. Buyers and sellers can now make transactions at any time and any part of the globe. Technological change also affects investments. Impact of technology. Friedman has pointed out that 80% of globalization is technology driven. Now, technology is easily transferable to developing countries where high-tech production can be combined with low wages. A large number of firms in advanced countries are now outsourcing labor-intensive services from developing countries like India. Technology has also impacted the cultural globalization with inventions like telephone and television. Telephone has made it feasible for anyone to talk to each other regardless of where they are geographically in the world. The spread of information technology has made production networks cheaper and easier. You can take the example of television. You can take the example of telephone. First, we will take the example of telephone. Telephone has made it feasible for the world to talk to anywhere. You may receive a call, you can receive email, text, and even allow video calls. It is due to technological advancement made in the field of communication. As seen, no countries are now really apart. All made possible due to technological breakthrough in communication that have revolutionized business, commerce, and linked millions of people. Now coming on the television. Television, on the other hand, has connected parts of world where they feel and see without having to leave the room. On televisions, by just a touch of the remote button that allows people to explore worlds on different channels, it is made available because of the internet, communication advances, and with the help of sounds and visuals that are transmitted through the television channels. In this pandemic situation, in current scenario, you are getting the news of the whole world through the mobile networks, televisions, and television channels. In this way, communication technology has brought the world closer and people closer regardless of where they are in the world. We have found out that from the first industrial revolution, technology had a great impact in the globalization as it helps to join the world together, where distance has no barrier for trade and is considered to be an essential part of economic globalization activity. The technological development made in areas like communication and in the invention of telephone and mobile phones, all with the help of satellites, has made help remove the time and distance that has existed before. Transportation, on the other hand, has allowed trade to take place more efficiently and cost effectively with the help of the container ships, jet airplanes, and electric trains. It has helped facilitated growth between nations as countries are able to take advantage of their comparative advantage as large goods can be exported and imported between countries. Now, technology transfer. It is also called transfer of technology, TOT. TOT is the process of transferring or disseminating technology from the places and in the group of its or origination to wider distribution among more people and places. It occurs along various axes among universities, from universities to business, from large business to smaller ones, from governments to businesses across borders, both formally and informally, and both openly and superficially. Often it occurs by concerted effort to share skills, knowledge, technologies, methods of manufacturing, samples of manufacturing, and facilities among governments or universities and other institutions to ensure that scientific and technological developments are accessible to a wider range of users who can then further develop and exploit the technology into new products, process, applications, materials, or services. It is closely related to it is closely related uh, to the transfer of or movement of the technology from one area to another. At present, transfer of technology is primarily horizontal, Vertical transfer occurs when technologies are moved from applied research centers to research and development departments. Whereas technology transfer can involve the dissemination of highly complex technology from capital intensive origins to low capital recipients. It also can involve appropriate technology, not necessarily high tech or expensive, that is better disseminated, yielding robustness and independence of system. You can use the technology transfer for the purpose of to increase productivity, to increase foreign direct investment, to increase the living standards, to maintain the balance of trade between import and export of a country, to gain microeconomic stability for the economic development of the country. Now, time lag in technology introduction. In India, the TV arrived very late. Although the color TV had become quite common in advanced countries, even when the TV arrived and the telecast started, initially there was only black and white telecast during 90s. Even the cable TV came to India only by about the beginning of 1990s. The late introduction and slow expansion event today affected not only TV business but also the advertising industry and product promotion. The time lags in introduction of technologies may even result in some products not being able to reach the market. Another, for example, the electronic typewriter had become known to Indians before it could penetrate the market. It could not achieve the growth because of the advent of computer, and now the computer is widely used in the whole world. Advancement in the technology of food processing, packaging and preservation, transportation etc. have facilitated product improvements and marketability of the product. Now, status of technology in India. Information technology in India is an industry consisting of two major components, IT services and business process outsourcing. The sector has increased its contribution to India's GDP from 1.2% in 1998 to 7.7% in 2017. The IT and business process outsourcing sector in India stood at $177 billion US dollar in 2019, witnessing a growth of 6.1% year on year, and is estimated that the size of the industry will grow to 350 billion US dollar by 2025. In the recent years, rising income inequality and jobless growth have been subjects of discussion and debate. In February 2018, New World Wealth Report claimed that India is the second most unequal country in the world, with millionaires controlling 54% of the total wealth. In Japan, the most equal country, millionaires control only 22% of national wealth. A closer look suggests that in India, gross fixed capital formation is falling. Growth in capital formation has fallen from a high of 17.5% during 2004 to 2008 to a low level 4.3% during 14 to 16. Technology management. Technology management is a set of management discipline that allows organizations to manage their technological fundamentals to create competitive advantage. Typically, concepts in the technology management are technology strategy, a logic or role of technology in an organization, technology forecasting, means identification of possible relevant technologies for the organization, possibly through technology scouting. Technology roadmap, mapping technologies to business and market needs, and technology project portfolio means a set of projects under development, and technology portfolio a set of technologies in use. The role of technology management function in an organization is to understand the value of certain technology for the organization. Continuous development of technology is valuable as long as there is a value for the customer, and therefore the technology management function in an organization should be able to argue when to invest on technology development and when to withdraw. This was the lecture of today. I hope you have find the gist of the topic, impact of technology on the globalization. In the next chapter, we will discuss the other things, other aspect of the technology, impact, and etc. Thank you very much for today's.